These 5 furniture patterns are the new works of art. We give a ton of thought to the most recent paint tones, kitchen plans, and even nursery patterns. However, furniture isn't generally top of psyche with regards to the most stylish trends. However, there's an entire universe of energizing new furniture plans and outlines to exploit such that adds to your current stylistic theme. No redesign required. Presently, like never before, we are seeing a revisitation of comfortable and warm insides. Think wonderfully layered spaces, a blend of prints, examples, and varieties, heavenly backdrops, surfaces, creased and designed lampshades as well as customized materials. Says Roxy Owens, organizer and innovative chief at Society Social, a Charlotte, North Carolina-based furniture organization. Be that as it may, keeping refreshed on furniture patterns doesn't mean spurning their works of art. All things considered, it's an incredible inverse. One just has to see the present top materials, including rattan, grass fabric, and wicker, to see this point in real life. These textural delights have been well known in home stylistic layouts starting from the beginning and totally have resilience, says Owens. Here, she shares the top furniture patterns happening now, everyone insured to endure over the extreme long haul. 1. Bended outlines. The furniture conjecture calls for gentler looks with a portion of sentimentality and an eye for craftsmanship. Womanliness to a great extent affects the planned world in 2022 hitherto, says Owens. I'm especially cherishing scalloped shapes and voluptuous outlines that loan themselves to a fun-loving, cunning, and paltry soul. Blurring are the unbending present-day lines that characterize the previous 10 years. The present furniture is about a gentler landing and a hotter climate to twist up in by the day's end. 2. Turtle completions. As far as I might be concerned, turtle is ageless as it adds profundity and character to a home, as well as a feeling of relaxed refinement to any space, she says. Like other normal materials, turtle has been around for quite a long time, yet that won't prevent Owens from naming it one of her #1 new kids on the block. This is a pattern that I can get behind as I generally accept furniture with a feeling of history ought to be incorporated while embellishing, she says. As per Owens, think of it as impartial, as it plays pleasantly with an assortment of furniture gets done in shades. 3. Maximalism. Maximalism is back, and even mortgage holders with more modest homes can allow this pattern to work out in their spaces. Owens concedes the more will be more mindset may be overpowering, particularly while attempting to make it work in a little space, so she proposes turning upward all things being equal. One of my #1 ways to cause a more modest space to feel more pompous is to paint or backdrop your roof, she says. This space is much of the time ignored, however when offered a little consideration, it can really add a show-stopping component that brings your eye up and invites you in. 4. Normal materials. I accept the utilization of normal materials will keep on filling in notoriety in forthcoming years, says Owens. All things considered, these things are in no way, shape or form just now getting established.